Think large format tiles are oversized slabs that you can slap down? Well, think again. These beasts can ruin your project if you're not careful. I'm Craig, and I've had 25 years experience in the commercial tile industry, and I'm sharing my hard-earned secrets to install these massive tiles without cracks, lippage, and regrets. Stick with me and you can turn any space into a jaw-dropping masterpiece. If you're ready to crush your tile projects, let's hit that subscribe button, tap that bell so you never miss a pro tip, and now let's get to work. Step 1, substrate prep. Your floor needs to be flatter than my attempts at a low-carb diet. You know what I'm saying? We're talking large tiles, and that means anything over 15 inches, and they demand a surface less than an 1/8 of an inch variation within 10 feet. Ignore this, and lippage will haunt you. Okay, how do you fix your floors? My favorite way of fixing a floor is self-leveling. It can be your new best friend. It's like pouring liquid perfection to save your floor and your sanity. Trust me, this stuff is a game changer to get your floor right for these large format tiles. Next up, mortar. Don't grab just any thin set. You will need a medium bed mortar, LHT, LFT, rated for large format tiles. It is built to give you great coverage and to bond to these oversized tiles and using a large notch trowel. Also, when using the large format, if you're going to use it on a wall, spend a little extra money and get the non-sag mortar. It'll keep your tile from sliding down those walls. Tip number 2, that mortar that you picked out especially for the large format tile, you want to key that into your substrate, whether it's a wall or a floor. By using the flat side of your trowel and really burning that mortar into the substrate, it gets it into the pores, and that creates a perfect bonding situation when you're ready to actually trowel it out and install that tile. Tip number 3, similar to tip 2, but now we're actually burning the mortar into the back of the tile. These large tiles can be bowed. Yes, the tiles can be a little deformed and have a crown in them. You want to take the flat side of your trowel and burn in that mortar on the back of the tile, giving you, once again, proper coverage and helping out with some of those bowed areas to make sure you're gonna get the perfect bond once you trowel out the mortar on your substrate. The mortar goal is coverage. You want to make sure the mortar makes contact with your tile. Burning it in on the substrate and back buttering your tile gives you the opportunity for great coverage. Always pull off a piece of tile, check the back, and make sure that you're getting the coverage that you need. Large tiles are not perfect. They can warp or dome, setting you up for some lippage disasters. This is normal. Your tile is not defective if it has a domed face. Don't be alarmed, just take the appropriate steps that I'm gonna let you know about to get a great installation. Tip number 4, you can use some leveling clips. This will not bend the tile, but it helps you get a more consistent tile-to-tile joint. And if you're still having a little bit of an issue, try tip number 5. Go with a wider grout joint. 3/16 is not bad. Tight joints with a wonky tile is a one-way ticket to insert your worst place, the saddest place. That's where you go. It's bad. Don't go there. Cutting large tiles is where dreams and bank accounts go to cry. These slabs aren't cheap, and one bad cut, ouch, cha-ching. Here's some tips for cutting your tile. The most important thing I can tell you, these tiles are large, they're heavy, and you have to support the entire tile when cutting. That may mean buying a bigger tile saw or protecting your tile and cutting it on the floor. When these heavy, large pieces hang out in the air, they crack and they break. Tip number 7, score first, cut slowly. Multiple passes prevent cracks and heartbreak. This gives you a better chance of having the tile not break on you. Tip number 8, think about your back. These tiles are heavy. Use a dolly. If you don't, your back's gonna remind you tomorrow. Save your back, save your tiles, save the cheerleader. What happened to that show? Get a dolly. Move these tiles around with care. Don't hurt yourself. Hey, if these tile tips rocked your world, smash that like button. If you're not impressed, hit the dislike. I can handle it. Subscribe for tile hacks that I share often on this video, conversations, get the DIY squad out, send me your question, tell me your worst tile fail story. Drop all that in the comments. I read them all. I feel lonely when I don't get comments. If you want more tile tricks and tips, follow me on Instagram at the Tile Nerd Army. If you need tile products, you can always find those on tilebar.com. The best tile in the industry, setting materials, and help if you need it. So let's keep learning together and tile the world. You think this is a tile? That's not a tile. This is a tile. When installing these tiles, you can cancel your gym membership. This is heavy. I need a friend. Call a friend.